Scientists confirm that dogs can recognize a bad person.
From the random stranger your dog barks at, to the neighbor that your pet refuses to go near, dogs just know when someone is a good or bad person. Our suspicions were right all along. Dogs can detect a bad person. Stick around till the end of this video as we dig up the dirt on your dog's incredible abilities. Number 8. Dogs can detect a mean person. A study published in the Journal of Neuroscience and Biobehavioral Reviews shows dogs can tell when someone is mean to you.
Scientists conducted a live experiment with dogs and their owners, testing reactions to different human behaviors.
An owner tried to open a sealed container. The first actor helped, the second was passive, and the third refused.
After, actors offered treats. Dogs happily accepted from the helpful actor, and mostly from the passive one.
But they refused treats from the mean actor, sensing the person was being a jerk.
Number 7. Dogs can detect liars.
A study in Japan found if dogs can recognize an untrustworthy person.
Scientists placed 2 containers near dogs, one with treats, one empty.
First, a person pointed to the treat container. Second, to the empty one.
Dogs were happy to find the treat first, but disappointed when lied to the second time.
In the third round, the person pointed to the treat again, but the dogs didn't go for it, remembering the deceit.
Number 6. Dogs can remember their owner's scent forever.
Dogs remember their owner's scent and for their entire life. Their memory is so complex.
They remember emotions associated with their owner or people they meet. How that person made the dog feel remains stored in the dog's brain. A particular portion of their brain is triggered, and they remember them. Even if your face has changed or years have passed, your dog will remember your smell and love.
Studies show an owner's scent activates pleasure centers in the dog's brain, similar to human in response to perfume.
The longer you're gone, the more excited your dog will be upon your return.
If you are not around, your dog knows things have changed and a certain level of comfort is lost. If an owner doesn't return within a certain period, the dog will ultimately see it as a loss. Number 5. Dogs can interpret facial expressions.
In a touchscreen experiment in Austria, scientists showed dogs pictures of human faces with angry or happy expressions.
Half the dogs got a treat for nosing at a happy face, the other half for touching angry faces.
When shown new faces, dogs could still tell the difference and earn their reward.
Scientists say this proves dogs can distinguish between human expressions using their experience. Before training, dogs had a natural aversion to pressing their noses against angry faces.
This means that our furry friends have some knowledge about the meaning behind human expressions.
Number 4. Dogs can smell bad intentions.
Truthfully, if your dog barks at some people but not others, they might pick up on subconscious signals you send.
You may seem welcoming, but your dog notices tiny subconscious signals that you are not completely comfortable.
A dog's sense of smell is 10,000 to 100,000 times better than a human's.
Your dog senses nervousness because your body produces stress-related chemicals and hormones with distinctive odors.
When a nervous person approaches, your dog realizes you're uneasy and barks to ensure your safety.
Research shows dogs sense changes in a person's brain through alterations to emitted pheromones.
This explains why dogs show aggression or dislike to someone right before things turn nasty.
The dog knew what was going to happen before the victim even had a clue. Dogs can smell fear.
A study found a link between an individual's emotional state and their likelihood of getting bitten.
Confident people got bitten less often than those anxious around intimidating dogs.
Number 3. Dogs can read your body language.
Record. Animal behavior specialists say canines pick up on every move a dog or human makes.
Whether it's stiff, playful, or nervous behavior, a pug will know immediately. Distinctions. Dogs rely on canine body language to assess their own safety around other dogs.
This inbred behavior transfers directly to human behavior as well.
Who's a good boy? If a person says one thing but acts differently, your dog will sense it immediately.
That's why your dog will bark or growl at a person they think may be an immediate threat, even if that person is only thinking of harming you in the future.
Number 2. Dogs can smell serious illnesses.
Believe it or not, dogs can detect cancer simply by sniffing someone's body.
A study shows dogs can detect cancer-affected tissues out of many samples. Cancer cells have a specific smell. The UK has medical detection dogs trained to find cancer odor in breath, urine, and swabs. Dogs can be lifesavers for diabetics, alerting owners when blood glucose levels drop to dangerous levels. A dog's supernose can also predict seizures, migraines, and detect malaria and Parkinson's disease. Now, let's talk about why dogs bark at some dogs, but not the others.
Your dog may bark and pull towards another dog, or just put its head down and pass without interaction.
Humans use words, but dogs communicate mainly through body language and scent.
Your dog may bark at some dogs because they show threatening body language, like freezing or a stiff tail. A tense mouth or wrinkled nose may be off-putting. Dogs sense these subtle cues or scents from a distance. Another reason for immediate dislike is a dog's historical experience. If your pooch was attacked by a brown male dog in the past,
Tensions. He may show strong defensiveness and high tension when encountering similar-looking dogs. Who would have thought a dog could do so much? They detect diseases, decipher body language, and sense mean people.
They even decide to stop obeying and trusting you when you try to trick them. So when your dog growls at someone in your home, they may be onto something. Your dog knows better. Dogs are truly incredible companions, with extraordinary senses and intelligence. They offer us loyalty, protection, and a unique understanding of the world around us.
Cherish your furry friends, for they are more than just pets. They are family.